Happy Friday morning, folks. What do you say? Let's get this day started. Last trading day of the week. A lot to discuss. Let's do it real quick here. Markets heading into today's open in the green. That's right. We're seeing a bit of a bounce off the selling pressure yesterday. Dow Jones up 300. NASDAQ up 170. S&P's up 45. That's about a 1% move, give or take, across the board. Over in FX, we're seeing some relative dollar strength, although it's been fairly muted in the overnight session, kind of a mixed bag. Strength against the yen, but weakness against the euro, weakness against the pound, fairly flat as we head into this open of the U.S. market. What we are seeing is, so these positive markets, we're seeing that even in light of WTI, oil continuing to press higher. Oil this week all over the place. We've had some days where we went and you traded up earlier in the week as high as $130 in WTI. We're trading at $107 now. So we've been all over the map, and oil continues to be that one market where you're getting daily big swings, some big intraday moves to be able to trade. No better place than at Nadex. All right. What do we got shaking for the rest of today? Well, we've got a couple earnings coming out for the remainder of the day. No big economic data points. We had that CPI number yesterday where we had 7.9% inflation annualized. Big number. Janet Yellen coming out last night saying that it's inflation, higher prices is something we're probably just going to have to get used to because it's going to stick around for a while. So not good. We'll see if that plays or has any impact on the Fed and how aggressive they are with raising these interest rates. But again, the positive news this morning, and at least why these markets are trading higher, is centers on Ukraine, Russia, potential ceasefire talks. They are talking, rumblings that there might be some positive news coming out of these, or at least that they're making some progress. It's yet to be seen, but something to be prepared for, because anything concrete coming out of that could really shake these markets up. All right, folks, last day. Let's get after it. Trade surprise action. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.